Hey guys, back at Bunzel yet again, and I wanted to do you another behind the scenes with a little peel and reveal. So what we're going to be doing in this video, we've painted in the lines, we've given them 2 coats, let it all dry, then we've added the sealer over the top, so everything is now baked onto the ground, and all we're going to do is peel back the tape. I'm going to show you what it looks like, giving us the nice crisp edges. So let's pick we'll go right here. So what we'll do, I'm just going to use a little cutter that we've got here. Just slice the tape open. Great. And we'll peel back. Super baked on the ground here. There we go, that's what we want. I'll peel up the other side as well. And then I'm just going to show you the nice crisp finish we get when we do the line markings this way. So I find it easier to actually pull this way, plus makes for a way better video. So let's peel this up. And this is the kind of finish you can expect when we do your line markings for you.